Got a question from Jessica. Can I purchase a home on a home equity line of credit, or when purchasing it, is it required to start with a traditional loan with all the closing costs? To answer your question, you do not have to start with a mortgage, assuming you have the down payment requirements for a home equity line of credit. The banks that offer a home equity line of credit on a purchase typically require 10% down payment, where you can get a Fannie, Freddie, FHA loan for 3.5% down. So it does require more of a down payment, 10%. But here's the cool thing. Even at 10% down payment, you're not putting down 20%. These HELOCs, most of them, there's two actually that I know that have mortgage insurance, but we don't recommend those. But the ones that do allow you to purchase with a home equity line of credit, even at 10% down, you never have mortgage insurance. Really cool. The other thing is what you've already recognized is, starting with a traditional loan with all the closing costs, you've recognized that mortgages have 2 to 5% of your loan amount in closing costs. So I'll give you an example. Let's say it's a $500,000 loan, and let's say 3% closing costs. It's $15,000 in closing costs. That's a complete waste of money. And I think what you've also recognized is that home equity lines of credit, most commonly, are no closing costs. And there are some banks that have a little bit of closing costs, but they're a fraction of what a mortgage is. So kudos to you, Jessica, for realizing that HELOCs can be significantly cheaper, at least on the front end in terms of closing costs. But yes, to answer your question, you can purchase with a home equity line of credit 10% down. You will avoid a lot of closing costs, and you will avoid mortgage insurance. Take care. God bless.